Sales is at the heart of every startup, and understanding the difference between B2B and B2C sales can shape your entire go-to-market approach. In this lesson, we'll break down the core differences between business-to-business, B2B, and business-to-consumer, B2C sales, and how to tailor your strategy to each model. Let's start with B2B sales. In this model, you're selling to other businesses. Your customer might be a team, a department, or an entire organization. The B2B sales cycle is usually longer and more complex. Decisions often involve multiple stakeholders, like a manager, procurement officer, or technical lead, and require trust, customization, and clear ROI. In B2B, relationship building is key. Sales often happen through demos, one-on-one calls, and personalized outreach. You need to understand your prospects' pain points, speak their language, and offer solutions tailored to their workflow. Tools like CRMs, outbound email platforms, and sales enablement decks are essential. The pricing model for B2B tends to be higher, often with recurring revenue, monthly or annual contracts. That means fewer transactions, but higher value per deal. You might close 10 customers in a year, but each could be worth thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. In contrast, B2C sales target individual consumers. The decision-making process is much faster, often impulsive or emotion-driven. Customers usually don't need approval from a team or a budget committee. They just need a clear reason to buy. B2C sales depend heavily on branding, UX, and psychology. You win with clear messaging, a smooth user experience, and a strong emotional hook. Ads, landing pages, social proof, and fast onboarding all play a role in conversion. Instead of sales calls, your funnel is mostly digital. B2C products are usually lower priced, and the sales volume is much higher. You might aim for thousands of customers, each paying a small amount. So your focus is on optimizing for scale, automation, and retention. When selling B2B, trust and credibility are essential. Case studies, testimonials, security certifications, and onboarding support all matter. You're not just selling a product, you're selling a partnership. Education, thought leadership, and strategic consultation play a huge role. When selling B2C, clarity and ease are king. The simpler and faster the buying experience, the better. Your messaging needs to answer one question instantly. What's in it for me? The channels differ too. B2B sales often start with LinkedIn, cold email, webinars, conferences, or account-based marketing. B2C leans on social media ads, influencer campaigns, SEO, and viral sharing. One isn't better than the other. They just require different playbooks. Some startups even blend both. For example, Zoom serves both businesses and consumers. Their B2C strategy gets users in the door, while their B2B team upsells enterprise solutions. So how do you choose your sales strategy? Start with your audience. Who are you solving a problem for? What's their buying behavior? What's the best way to earn their attention and trust? Let that shape your team, your messaging, and your tools. In early-stage startups, the founder often plays the first sales role, regardless of B2B or B2C. Get close to your customers, listen to objections, and refine your pitch constantly. Sales isn't just closing deals. It's learning, testing, and evolving your value proposition in real time. Whether you're targeting businesses or consumers, great sales comes down to empathy. Understand your buyer, speak their language, and make it easy for them to say yes. Let's get your sales strategy aligned and ready to convert.